Okay, dear students, happy morning. Welcome to the KalviTv program or the Geometry Box program. It's a continuation of the last class. In the last class, we saw about the multiplication of rational expressions. Few problems we saw that. Some more problems are there that we exercise 3.5 question 1, this first subdivision, they gave as simplify. But what is the operation just there you see in the middle, multiplication. So, it means we have to multiply the given two expressions. Now, what is that one? First one is 4x squared y by 2x squared into 6x z cube divided by 20y power 4. So, now that should equal to what we have to do. Simply we are writing 4 into x squared into y. For the cancellation purpose, we have to write like this, 2 into x squared. Then the 6 we can write as 2 into 3. The remaining we write as it is. The 20 we can write 4 into 5. Now let us do the cancellation. 4 and 4 will be cancelled, 2 also cancelled, x squared also cancelled, you see that. The remaining we have to multiply. But in the numerator we have y, in the denominator we have y power 4. What we have to do? We have to subtract the power. So y power is 1, y power is 4 in the denominator. So in the denominator we have to do the subtraction. So in the numerator we have x and z cube. So no x and z in the denominator. That's why we can kept as it is. So 3x z cube divided by 5y to the power of 4 minus 1, and then that is 3x z cube divided by 5y to the power of 3. That is the answer. Now let's go for the next one. Exercise 3.5 question 1 subdivision 2 is again a multiplication of the two expressions. But both expressions are having 2-degree polynomial or quadratic polynomial in the numerator. So those two quadratic polynomials should be factorized. Okay, let's take the first one, that is p square minus 10p plus 21. That was factorized in the screen, you can see that. 21, we should find two numbers. What are the two numbers that we have to find out? 3 and 7. But minus 10 is in the middle, therefore minus 3 minus 7. Before p square, the coefficient is 1, so not necessary to divide. So we can write p minus 3, p minus 7 directly. So the factors are p minus 3 and p minus 7. Next one is the p squared plus p minus 12. That should be factorized. Minus 12 is the last number, so we should find the number 4 and 3, 4 into 3, 12. But what's the number in the middle? That is plus 1 before p. So we have to take 4 and minus 3. By adding them, we will get the 1. So p plus 4 and p minus 3. So now what we have to see that all those factors we have to substitute in, that was done there. P minus 3 into p minus 7 divided by p minus 7 into, for the p square plus p minus 12, we have tried the p plus 4 and the p minus 3. So what can be done? The p minus 7, p minus 7 we can cancel in the first fraction. In the second fraction, p minus 3 and the p minus 3 whole square, 1 p minus 3 will be there. And again in the first fraction p minus 3 is there, so second fraction p minus 3 is there, therefore the denominator p minus 3 whole square should be cancelled. What is remaining? Only the p plus 4 only the remaining. That's all, that is the answer. Now the next question is exercise 3.5 question number 1, 5t cube by 4t minus 8, one rational expression, into 6t minus 12 by 10t. So what we have to do? In the first rational expression, denominator 1 we have to take 4 as common. If we take 4 as common, what is remaining inside the bracket? T minus 2. In the second rational expression, what is there in the numerator? 6t minus 12. So 6 is common, that 6 can be taken away. Now remaining t minus 2 should be in the bracket. In the denominator 10t is there, that we can write 2 into 5. So now we have to do the cancellation. T minus 2 and t minus 2, let us cancel. 5 and 5 also be cancelled. Now what can be done? Even we can cancel 2 and 6 by 3, but how, in which way it can be done there? 6 we can write as 2 into 3. So 2 we can cancel it. Then 3t squared by 4t should be the answer. Now let's see 14th one. Exercise 3.5, question number 2, subdivision 1 is, see, you can see x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y. We cannot do any factorization, any formula application, or we are not able to take anything as common in the first rational expression, so that we have to write as it is. But in the second rational expression, in the numerator you see that 9x squared minus 16y squared. That 9x squared we can write as 3x whole square, and minus 16y squared we can write as 4y the whole square. And the denominator one, what we can do that, take away, we have to factorize that also. Okay, now let's see what to do with that. 3x squared minus 4y squared, the formula a squared minus b squared. What's the formula? A minus b into a plus b. So that we should be applied here. A is here 3x, b is here 4y. So we can write as 3x minus y into 3x plus 4y. Now let's go for the denominator 1. What's there in the denominator? 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. That we have to factorize. First number, that is the coefficient of x squared, is 2. The last number minus 20, multiply them. So 2 into minus 20 is minus 40. What's the number in the middle? 3. So which two number we have to select? We can select 8 and minus 5. 8 into minus 5 is minus 40. When we add 8 and minus 5, that will give you 3. So 8, also we have to divide by 2. Why? Because the coefficient of x squared is 2. If the coefficient of x squared is other than 1, so with that number we have to divide. So here we have 2, therefore divided by 2, so you get 8 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4, so we can write the factor as x plus 4. This is minus 5 by 2, so x minus 5 by 2. So what are the factors now? X plus 4, 2x minus 5. Now let's do the cancellation. 3x minus plus 4y and 3x plus 4y, we may cancel it. Then x plus 4 and x plus 4, we may cancel it. And write the remaining. What is the remaining? 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. That's all. So now let's go for the next operation, division. Division of rational expression. That 2 mark question we are going to see. Simple problem, so we are going to see that. Example 3.6, the first subdivision is saying that 14x power 4 by y is divided by 7x by 3y power 4. Okay, let's do that. That 14 we can write 7 into 2, x power 4 by y. For division, what we have to do, division symbol can change as multiplication symbol. That 7x by 3y4 is the right side of the division sign in the problem, that we have to write in the reciprocal form. So that 3y power 4 should be in the numerator, 7x should be in the denominator. Now let us do the cancellation after that. 7 with 7, let's cancel it. Remaining number we cannot cancel it. We have x power 4 in the numerator, y power 4 in the numerator. In the denominator we have y and x. So what we should do, this x power 4, this x, we have to use the indices idea. So x power 4 minus 1. Here we have y power 4, here we have y. So 4 minus 1. That we can do that. So 2 into 3 we can multiply, that is 6. X power 4 minus 1, y power 4 minus 1. Then very simple now, 6x cube y cube become the answer. Now the next question is x square minus 16 by x plus 4. See, x square minus 16, we can apply the formula a square minus b square. Remaining we cannot do anything. So now what we should do that, x square minus 16 by x plus 4, division symbol we have changed as multiplication. And that x square minus 16 we can write as x minus 4 into x plus 4. So we can write x minus 4 into x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. That division symbol change as multiplication symbol. Now what we have to do, that x minus 4 x plus 4 we have to write in the reciprocal form. So x plus 4 in the numerator, x minus 4 is in the denominator. After that we have to do the cancellation. Okay, let's do it. X minus 4 and x minus 4 we cancel. X plus 4 cancelled, and what is remaining? Only the x plus 4 is the remaining. That's all. Very simple. So division can be simplified by using the multiplication idea. The only thing is, after division, which rational expression you see that, write it in a reciprocal form. Change the division sign as multiplication. After that, use what we did in the multiplication operation. That's only the difference. Okay, now let's go for the next question. That is x plus 2 divided by 4y. Again you see the division symbol. After that, x squared minus 6 divided by 12y squared. So what we have to do, write that x plus 2 by 4y, that we cannot do anything. But the division symbol, what we can do, write multiplication symbol. And x square minus 6 by 12y square, write it in a reciprocal form. So 12y square divided by x square minus x minus 6. So only that x square minus x minus 6 we have to do the factorization. So that we will do it, that x square minus x minus 6 is at the last number and minus x is in the middle. So we have to find the two numbers to factorize. Now what are the two numbers we can select? Being the middle number is a minus 1, the last number is minus 6, so only the choice to us is minus 3 and 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, so that the factors that you have to take x minus 3 and x plus 2 for that. So now we can write the 12y square as 4 into 3. That y square, even we can write y into y, or we can do the use the indices idea, indices rule. Any one way you can do that. So now let us do the cancellation. X plus 2 and x plus 2 we may cancel it. Y and y can be cancelled. 4 and 4 also be cancelled. We will write the remaining only. What is the remaining? In the numerator we have 3 into y, so that's a 3y. In the denominator we have x minus 3, that's why the answer will be 3y divided by x minus 3. That's all, very simple. Let's go for the next one. It's a question number 5 in your text, exercise 3.5. A polynomial is given that is divided by another polynomial. They gave name of the first polynomial as p of x. That should be divided by q of x. That is also given in the question. After doing the division, we should get another expression. That expression also given in the question. What is that? X minus 7 by x plus 2. They are asking you to find that second polynomial q of x. That is this question. I will read the question. You also look at that. If a polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 5x minus 14 is divided by another polynomial, that is q of x, we get the expression x minus 7 by x plus 2. And what we have to find out? Find the second polynomial, q of x. Let's see how to do it. See how, in which way I wrote. The first polynomial is divided by another polynomial. So we can write it as x squared minus 5x minus 14 divided by the q of x. So by doing this, what expression we are getting that is given in the question? That we have to write after the equal symbol. After the equal symbol, we should write that expression x minus 7 by x plus 2. Now what can be done? Which one you see to be factorized? X squared minus 5x minus 14 is to be factorized. You know well how to do the factorization. Immediately you will see the last number, am I right? So minus 14 is to be taken. What's the number in the middle? That's the coefficient of x, minus 5. So we have to find the two numbers that you know well. So what are the two numbers we may take? That is minus 7 and 2. By multiplying them, you would get minus 14. By adding them, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So the factors are x minus 7 and x plus 2. So that factors only we have to write, replace the x squared minus 5x minus 14 by their factors. That is x minus 7 into x plus 2 divided by q of x equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Now my question is it possible to cancel, which you see the x plus 2 in the numerator and again another x plus 2 you see in the denominator? Is it possible to cancel? No. Why? Because what's the symbol that you are seeing in the middle? Equal sign. If you see the multiplication symbol only, we may cancel it. Now we can cancel the numerator common factors only, denominator common factors only. We cannot cancel the numerator factor and the denominator common factors. That cannot be cancelled. That is possible only when you see the symbol multiplication at the middle. Being here we are seeing equal sign, that cannot be done. So what we have to do, we can cancel the x minus 7 and also the x minus 7. That was done. So now what we have to do with the remaining? Now we have to do the cross multiplication. So qx into 1 in the right side, so q of x equal to x plus 2 into x plus 2, that is x plus 2 the whole square. We may leave the answer up to this, or else you can expand by using the a plus b whole square formula. So you can give the answer as x squared plus 4x plus 4, or you can left the answer up to x plus 2 the whole square. Let's go for the next one. Addition and subtraction of rational expression. We are seeing the 2 mark questions only. Simple idea, how to add or subtract 2 rational expressions. Here, when this type of question, first we have to check the denominator factors. Both the denominators are having the same factor. X plus 3, here x minus 2 you are seeing now in the question. The question is simplify. When you see the word simplify, you have to look at the symbol given at the middle. What symbol is given, that operation only you have to do. Here you see the symbol plus is given. So you are going to add x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 plus x minus 1 by x minus 2. Both the denominators are different one. If the both that, so how can we find the, I think you did in lower class 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5. What did you do that? The same process that we have to follow in the rational expressions. So we have to multiply the denominator, that is the LCM. Even in the last classes you saw about how to find LCM and GCD. Let us use the same idea also. So x plus 3 into x minus 2, you have to take in the denominator. Then what to do with the numerators? You have to compare the first rational expression denominator with the LCM that you have taken. What LCM that you have taken? x plus 3 into x minus 2. In the first rational expression, what's the denominator? That is x plus 3. So x minus 2 is only missing. So we have to multiply the first expression numerator by the x minus 2. That was there, you are seeing x plus 2 into x minus 2. The same idea we have to use for the second expression. You are seeing x minus 2 in the denominator. In the LCM you see x plus 3 into x minus 2. So x plus 3 is missing. So you have to multiply the numerator by the x plus 3. This concept only you did in lower class with the numbers. Now you are doing with the expressions. So now we have to do the simplification with the numerator, ordinary multiplication that you used to do. But the first one is x plus 2 to x minus 2. So you have to use the identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Use that identity, you will get x square minus 4 plus. Again this remaining next multiplication, one is x minus 1, another is x plus 3. Ordinary multiplication we have to do. So x and x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now what can be done? In the numerator again we have to do the simplification. Corresponding terms should be added. X squared, its corresponding term is again another x squared term only. So we have x squared and another term is also x squared, so it should be 2x squared. Then we have to add the x terms, that both are the other corresponding terms. 3x and minus x, 2x. Then x terms over, x squared terms are over, only you are seeing the number that we call it as constant terms. Those two constant terms should be added or subtracted according to the symbol. Minus 4, minus 3, so we have to add it, so minus 4, minus 3 is minus 7. That's all. So you got the answer as 2x squared plus 2x minus 7 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, let's see the next question. That is given in exercise 3.6, question number 1, subdivision 1. X into x plus 1 divided by x minus 2, and you see the symbol plus. So x into 1 minus x divided by x minus 2. You see both the denominators are same. The LCM will be x minus 2. So we can take the LCM as x minus 2. If we take LCM as x minus 2, both the denominators are same. So numerator you have to write as it is. So x into x plus 1 plus x into 1 minus x. So you can multiply. X into x is x squared plus x. X into 1 is x. And x into minus x is minus x squared divided by x minus 2. Now what can be done? Just look at the numerator, you can easily identify what to do. You see the plus x squared and minus x squared. So that can be cancelled. Oh, then what are the things remaining? Both 2x only there, x plus x. So the answer will be 2x divided by 2x, x minus 2. Very simple. If you see the same denominators, very simple it is. Now let's see the next question. Exercise 3.6, question number 1, the third subdivision is, and just you should be very careful in this question. Denominator x minus y in the first expression. In the second expression it is y minus x. You see the denominators, one is x minus y, another is y minus x. So in that y minus x, if you take out minus as common, what you will get? Minus into x minus y. So now you see the denominators are same after taking out minus. That's only we have to do. So x squared by x minus y. I change the plus symbol as minus. Then y squared divided by that y minus x, just I reverse as x minus y. Now you look at there, both the denominators are same, but the symbol in the middle is minus. So what we have to do? Simple thing. Write the numerator as it is with the symbol given in the middle. So x square minus y square divided by x minus y. Now think what to do with the numerator. The numerator is x square minus y square. So we can write as x minus y into x plus y divided by x minus y. Now we automatically you can say that x minus y can be cancelled. So remaining is the x plus y, that becomes the answer. So the simple concept, either we have to use the formula or algebraic identities, take out if common terms are there, you have to take it out, or you have to do the factorization. Afterwards, if possible anything to be cancelled, do it and write the remaining. This is the basic concept throughout the exercise. Now the last question in this class, 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 4 minus 2x square minus 5x plus 2 divided by x minus 4. You see again the same denominator. So denominator is x minus 4, that you have to write as it is. But in the numerator you see that 2x plus 1 x minus 2 minus into, because minus is in the middle, then put the second bracket numerator within the bracket, then you have to multiply inside by the minus. Simple simplification only we are doing, just look at that. First two brackets we have to multiply. That was done there, you can verify. 2x into x is 2x squared, 2x into minus 2 is minus 4x, plus 1 into x is x, and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. In the second bracket, before the bracket minus is there, so change all the signs. That was done there. Then you can cancel 2x squared with the 2x squared. Minus 4x plus x, 5, 3 x terms are there. So do the addition also subtraction, you may get as 2x minus 2 minus 2 become minus 4 divided by x minus 4. Either you can leave or you can take out 2 out as common. So 2 into x minus 2 by x minus 4 become the answer. Very simple. We will see the remaining question in the next episode. Please wait. We will meet again. God bless you. Thank you.